Let's now look at a proficiency demonstration where we assist the student in retrieving their primary PIN information from web services. If we enter the web services account through the college's homepage and enter their secure area, you will note that the student needs two pieces of information in order to gain access to their web services account. The student ID, which is the M number located on the student's ID card, and the PIN number here, which is the primary PIN, which is a 6-digit number given to the student at the time of orientation. If the student does not know their user ID or their PIN, they can use the primary PIN and student ID retrieval process. This process requires the student to enter both their Social Security number and date of birth. Once this information is entered correctly, the student can submit and gain access to both their primary PIN and their student ID. This information must be recorded in order to return to the login page, enter the information, and gain access. There is another feature in Banner that allows the student to gain access to their primary PIN. It is the Forgot PIN feature. Note that if we click the Forgot PIN feature, we get an error message. That's because the student must at least enter their user ID in order to use the Forgot PIN feature. Once the student enters their user ID, they can click Forgot PIN. This will prompt the student to answer their security question. If the student can answer their security question correctly, the system will then ask them to reset their PIN. At this point, they will make up any 6-digit number they want to represent their PIN. They must re-enter to validate that information. Click the Reset PIN button, and then it will log them in, and then their primary PIN will now be changed to that number. This concludes the proficiency demonstration for primary PIN retrieval.